Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's vlog. And it's Thursday morning, and I've got a cup of coffee. I've been pondering basically all week what I'm going to say. So obviously we're out in the market. The spring market has started, and I would say that the results are okay. So we've had some very strong sales and some very strong prices. And we've also had some other properties that haven't got as much engagement as we would have liked. So I think there is different things happening in different parts of the market. Definitely at the lower end, it seems pretty good. It seems fine, actually. And things are strong. Like when I talk to our team at Penrith and at Newington, they've got competition for properties, and it's like, 4% or the interest rate's not really making that much difference. So that's very interesting. At the upper end, I think it's a bit of a different story, and we're seeing hesitancy there of people being very careful about what they're offering. So, in a stronger, hotter market, you see people sort of falling over themselves to get, good properties, particularly at the upper end. But I think it's to do with the type of customer at that end. People who are spending sort of 4 to 5 to 6 million and above, of which we've got quite a bit of stock. I think they're pretty, savvy. I think there's still uncertainty out there about what's going to happen bigger picture wise. Article in the paper yesterday saying that, we won't have a recession. So the government's saying that. And I do think there is still a level of uncertainty where no one's sure quite what's going to happen next. And I think that's breeding a level of conservatism in the buyers at that end. So I think what it means for our vendor clients is just stay focused on what you're trying to achieve. Focus on the journey of where you're going. So certainly at the upper end, if you're selling to buy, well, you're probably going to buy reasonably well as well, even though you might sell for a little bit less than you thought. So I definitely think we need to think about that. I think there is enough of a vibe in the marketplace to say that in some segments we might have come off a little bit, and I think we need to be conscious of that. And as vendors going out there thinking that you're going to get a record price, I think that's the wrong way to think. You've got to go out there and make sure that you're pitching property at a price that is going to engage the market. So we always say that our job as agents is to give you a choice. Whether you take that choice or not is completely up to you. I also say we don't sell property, you do, because you're the one who signs the contract at the end of the day to sell it. So you're only going to do that if you're happy with the price. So I think there's a bit of that, navigating with caution, getting your pricing so that it engages the buyers, that you get the competition that can build the price up. I think going out too high, hoping that, someone's going to see the value, I think that's naive. And I think from a vendor point of view, you need to be conscious of that. So, all right, that's today's message. I'll talk to you next week.